Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, March the 1st. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the NIFTY Indian Index 60 minutes chart. We can see right here. We ended with W over here. Okay, and this is in the form of an ABC zigzag. This is the C, and you can only see partial count here because it's a 60 minutes chart. And then now the with X already ended as well at 18,136, which is in the form of another ABC. And since then, Nifty has already turned lower. Decline looks impulsive, and it has broken below the previous low. So therefore, it is a lower low sequence now. And we're looking for these 5 waves to complete soon. Then from here, Nifty should be rallying in 3 waves. But then as long as it stays below 18,136, the rally should fail. Remember, the corrective structure always is in a 3 swing or 7 swing. And we are always going to be showing the first sequence, which is 3 swing. But overall, a lot of people interpret this as saying that okay, it has to go down exactly to this level, it has to go up exactly to this level, which is not supposed to be in the interpretation. The interpretation simply is that this is looking for more downside as long as this level is holding, and then if there is any rally, the rally should fail in 3 swing or 7 swing, and we're showing a 3 swing from the beginning, right? 3 swing rally, and the P 3 swing rally should be correcting the 5 ways down. So this is as approximate sort of path that it can take in the 3 swing before it goes down again. Okay, now let's zoom out a little bit and then take a look at a slightly larger context. So I'm going to copy this WX here. So this is the W here, which is the same W you see in the 60-minute chart, and then X is located here. So you can see in the Nifty, since we made an all-time high here, since then it has already, it seems to be in a correction right now. And this is the connector. This is what we call a connector. If you draw a trend line, you can see how it breaks, right? So in other words, this entire decline here, that ended right here, and then this breakout of the channel is another cycle. So you have one cycle, and then and the second cycle here, and then you break down again below the previous low. So you have one cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycles, and this is a lower low sequence with this as the main connector from the peak. And in this kind of instance, typically, right, whether you're talking about WXY or APC, again, the difference between ABC and WXY is only the subdivision. ABC is a 535 zigzag, WXY is a 333, so it's a 333, right? So in this case, you can call this as a 3 swing here, 1, and then let's see, 2, 3, something like that, right? All right, so now whether you're talking about ABC or WXY, the target is always going to be the same. Typically, ideally, not always, it's not a rule, right? But it's a guideline with a higher probability. Typically, it can go to the 100%, which is 16,000 in the case of the Nifty, right? In the case of Nifty, it's going to be 16,000. Does it have to be exactly 16,000? Not necessarily, but guideline wise, usually it's between 100% to 161.8%. So 15,652 to 16,000 is a possible range to the downside. So remember, in the 1 hour, soon we should be ending the 5 ways down from here. Then we should be getting a 3ish rally, and then as long as that 3ish rally fails below here, this is the key level right now, then we should continue to extend lower again. Potentially can go to 16,000. Okay, so that's the idea for the Nifty. Sequence wise suggests that most likely the correction or the decline, however you want to call it, can extend. Okay, so for further updates on the Nifty or any other indices, Forex, commodities, cryptos, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.